So uma unga-estimate yonke into esendlini yakho ukuthi imalini ungathini?
Mhlambe ngingathi mhlambe 100,000.
You are 15,000 ngathi but 20 masithi 20 man 20,000.
Possibly 300,000.
Angicingi ngapha ku-30,000.
Oh, yeah, around over $1 million.
Mhlambe ngaba yi-15 blocks.
Over 50,000, over 100,000?
I-lounge iyodwa i-50,000.
More than 30,000.
Nabazi ngaya kwi-70 manditsho.
Maybe 50.
And unayo i-insurance ye-home?
Andinayo.
No, unfortunately, it's not.
Why ungayi-inshori indlu yakho?
Ngicingile.
Uma ngiyaxela kuba khona i-insurance engacoverisha for up to 40,000 for 88 rand per month, ungathini?
Ndingavuya kakhulu.
Ngayithatha lo.
Ndingayithatha.
Ungayithatha?